Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I think this is part 6, and if you didn't watch part 5, you will have no clue what's going on. I said in that video that I was going to make another video on this. So what we're going to do, we're going to select it all and just make it all black. And it's already grouped together, and I'm going to make it, let's make it 5 inches. Whoop, my ratio is unlocked, so lock your ratio and go 5 inches. Now, I don't think it's going to match up. Well, let's just try it. Let's change our nudge factor to 5 inches. And let's hit the plus key on the keyboard and move it over. See, it doesn't match up. So you have to take this and Control D, holding down the control button and mirror it over this way. And it just so happens to match up. And then you can hit the plus key and hit your right arrow key twice. Then you can hit the plus key, and we have to mirror this one. But I think once we're there, we can select it all, hit the plus key, and hit your arrow twice. I don't know about your screen, but it's messing with my eyes. And it looks like this line is curved. It's like almost flashing. So let's select it all. Let's make it yellow. Let's put a black box around it, just kind of show it off a little better. Object, order, back of page. I can see the H. I can see the H two different ways. I can see it here, it looks like it's dark. Here it looks like it's grayed out. And then you turn your head back and forth, and it is spooky. Anyway, so watch part 5. It was just a few minutes ago. And so it's the video right before this one. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.